They say inflation is down to 3.5%, but my tuna-flavored treats went up by 25%. I crunched the numbers. Must be some kind of fuzzy math. Rent, upper, coffee, upper, cat litter. Don't even get me started. By the way, if you're still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it now. Make cat videos great again. If this is what under control looks like, then I must be the king of Wall Street. They fix inflation like I fix my hair. Big volume, zero results. But hey, at least the dollar is still strong, just like my opinions.